Aspirants, welcome back to our channel AgriVision for you. So with the GATE 2025 application forms set to be released soon, it's the perfect time to intensify your preparations. To support you in this journey, AgriVision for you is back with its previous year question series. In this series, we'll walk you through the past GATE questions and provide you in-depth explanation for each one. So before we dive in, if you are new to our channel, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive the regular updates on upcoming exams and preparation tips. Additionally, AgriVision for you has launched a dedicated batch for GATE XC Excel 2025. If you are an aspiring candidate, enroll now to secure a spot. You can use my code, that is AGRI50, to get exclusively flat 50% discount on this course. So now let's get started. So in this video, we'll be reviving the questions from GATE XC 2023. So let's go through each options now. Questions. So question number 1, that is, choose the correct group of fat-soluble vitamins. So what are fat-soluble vitamins? Those vitamins which are soluble in fats. So these are specially, always remember this, Kira. That is vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin D and vitamin A. Now, the options are cholecalciferols, alpha-tocopherols or menadione. Next option B, thiamine, cholecalciferols and alpha-tocopherol, niacin, alpha-tocopherol and menadione, or biotin, thiamine or niacin. Okay. So, vitamin A is also retinol, known as retinol. Vitamin D, cholecalciferol. Vitamin K, that is menadione, which is a synthetic form, okay, we can say synthetic form, and vitamin E, also known as alpha tocopherol. Now over here, cholecalciferol, it's vitamin D, alpha tocopherol, it is vitamin E, menadione, it's vitamin K. Are this matching? KED, yes. So this is the correct option. Let's discuss more. Thiamine. So thiamine actually it's vitamin B1. Cholecalciferol, it's D. Alpha tocopherol, it's E. So this will not be correct because vitamin B is coming over here. Next, niacin. So niacin, it's a water soluble vitamin B and vitamin C. Fat soluble, it's vitamin A, KIDA, that is vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin A. Now niacin, it's vitamin B3. Tocopherol, E. Menadione, it's K. Biotin, it's vitamin B7. Thiamine, vitamin B1, and niacin, it's vitamin B3. So over here, my correct option will be option number A. Next question, question number 133. The synthesis of thyroxine, that is T4, in human body, it requires. So options are selenium, iodine, iron or zinc. So let's see one by one all the options. So first one, that is selenium. So selenium, basically it is important for the conversion of thyroxine, that is conversion of thyroxine. Thyroxine is my T4 to triiodothyroxine 9. Triiodothyroxine. threonine, that is T3. So basically conversion of T4 to T3. Selenium is important. Iodine. So iodine over here, it will be my correct option also. So iodine basically it requires the synthesis of thyroid hormones, that is T4. It requires the synthesis of the thyroid hormone, and thyroid hormone, that is thyroxine. So this will be my correct option. Next, iron. So we know iron, it is an essential for overall metabolisms, but not specially for the T4 synthesis. And zinc. Zinc, it is involved in the immune functions and various metabolic processes, but not directly it is linked with the T4 synthesis. So over here my correct option will be option number B, that is iodine. So question number 134. Which among the following is not an essential amino acids? So what are these essential amino acids? So essential amino acids are those that cannot be synthesized by human body. Those amino acids that cannot be synthesized by human body. Even these amino acids must be obtained from the diet. Now, uh, so options are L-phenylalanine, L-valine, L-lysine or L-arginine. So essential amino acids are histidine, isoleucine and valine. So these are my essential amino acids. So which of the option it is not an essential amino acid? Yes, option number D, that is arginine. So this arginine, it is not essential for adults, but it is considered, we can say, conditionally essential, especially for the children or in specific conditions where the body's demand it exceeds the ability to produce it. So over here my correct option will be D, that is arginine. Question number 135. The time required for stipulated destruction of a microbial population at a given temperature is. So options are D value, F value, Z value and Q10 value. So D value it is related to the time required to reduce the microbial population by a specific amount. D value, it is the time which is required to reduce the microbial population by a specific amount. So this will not be the correct option. Next, F value. F value, actually it is the correct option also. It is the time which is required for actually it directly addresses the time required for microbial destructions. That is time required for stipulated destruction of a microbial population at a given temperature. Next, Z value. Z value actually it measures the thermal resistance of a microorganism. It resists the thermal resistance. And Q10 value. Q10 value actually it is related to the temperature sensitivity of a biological process. So over here my correct option will be option number B, that is F value. F value, it is the time which is required for stipulated destruction of a microbial population at a given temperature. Question number 136. Which among the following option statement is not correct? So options are cod fish, it is a major source of omega-3 fatty acids. So yes, this is true. Cod fish, it is a major source of omega-3 fatty acids along with this EPA, that is eicosapentaenoic acid, DHA, docosahexaenoic acids. So these fatty acids actually have been linked to various health benefits, including the heart health, brain functions, reduced inflammations. Next, beetroot is a good source of beta carotene. So this statement is also true. Beets contain beta carotene. Beta carotene actually this is a pigment that is converted into vitamin A in the body, and vitamin A it is essential for vision, we can say immune functions, cell growth. Next, apple is a good source of vitamin B12. So this statement actually it is incorrect. So this option will be correct because apples these are primarily source of fibers, carbohydrates and antioxidants. This vitamin B12 it is found in the animal based foods basically like the meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products and so on. Next, fresh sugarcane juice is a good source of polyphenol oxidase. So this statement is also true because this polyphenol oxidase is an enzyme which is found in many fruits and vegetables including sugarcane. So it is responsible for the browning reaction that occurs when these foods are cut or they get damaged. So the cells actually they get damaged and this browning of reaction it occurs. So over here my correct option will be option number C, that is apple is a good source of vitamin B12. Question number 137. Which of the following statement is not correct? The first one. As the shear rate increases, the apparent viscosity decreases for a pseudoplastic fluid. Actually, this is correct because we know that pseudoplastic fluids, it exhibits shear thinning behavior, meaning that their viscosity decreases as the shear rate increases. So viscosity it decreases as shear rate increases since they exhibits a shear thinning behavior. We have discussed a lot about this Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluids in the course. So option number B, that is as the shear rate increases, the apparent viscosity increases for a dilatant fluid. So this is also correct. Since dilatant fluids, they exhibits shear thickening behavior. They exhibits shear thickening behavior. That means that their viscosity it increases as the shear rate increases. Option C, a Bingham fluid it actually requires application of yield stress prior to any response. This is also correct since Bingham fluid it is a type of plastic fluid. Bingham fluid it is a type of plastic fluid that requires the minimum amount of shear stress, that is the yield stress, to be applied before it begins to flow. Next, option number D, rheopectic and thixopectic are two time independent fluids. So actually this is incorrect. So this will be my correct option because this rheopectic and thixotropic fluids they both are time dependent fluids. They both are time dependent fluids. This means that their viscosity changes over time in response to the shear rate. So over here my correct option will be option number D, that is rheopectic and thixotropic are the two time independent fluids. Next question, question number 138. Calculate the efficiency in percentage, that is round off to one decimal place, of an oil expeller which yields 37 kg oil containing 5% solid impurities from 100 kg mustard seeds. The oil content of the mustard seeds is 38%. Okay, so this is about the oil expeller efficiency. So we have to first understand the problem. So it is saying that we have 100 kg, we have 100 kg mustard seeds. We have 100 kg mustard seeds and the which has an oil content of 38%. and the oil expeller, it yields 37 kg of oil containing 5% solid impurities. Oil expeller, it yields 37 kg oil which contains 5% solid impurities. So we need to calculate the efficiency of the oil expeller. So first we'll calculate the actual oil content in the 37 kg yield. So the oil yield contains 5% impurities as mentioned. That means 95% of the oil is pure. So we can say that 37 is 37 kg into 0.95. This is the percentage of pure oil. So we'll get around 35.15 kg. So this is the oil yield. Now step 2, we have to calculate the theoretical maximum oil yield, that is 38% of 100 kg mustard seed. So it is 38%, so 0.38 into 100 kg. So we'll get 38 kg of the maximum oil yield. So efficiency, so what is the formula of efficiency? It is actually the actual oil yield. So what is my actual oil yield? That is 35.15 kg divided by the theoretical maximum oil yield, that is 38 kg into 100%, said in percent. So it is around 92.5%. So therefore the efficiency of the oil expeller is approximately 92.5%. So question number 139. Orange juice is packed aseptically and stored under ambient conditions. The degradation of vitamin C in the juice occurs during storage and it follows first order kinetic reaction. The degradation rate occurs in 5 into 2 into 10 to the power 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 3, the half-life of vitamin C in days. Okay, this you have to calculate in integer. So let us proceed. Half-life, that is T half, it is ln 2 by k. And what is the value of ln 2? It's approximately 0.693. Now we have to substitute the, and what is k over here first? K is the rate constant. It is rate constant. Okay. Now substitute the given rate constant into the equation. That is T half 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. What is the value of ln 2? It's written 0.693 divided by 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So calculating this value and rounding it off to the nearest integer, we'll get it around 133 days. So therefore the half-life of vitamin C in the orange juice, it is approximately 133 days. So question number 140. The weight of 10 kg dried cauliflower containing 5% moisture weight basis after rehydration is 60 kg. If the fresh cauliflower contained 87% moisture wet basis, calculate the coefficient of rehydration, round off to 2 decimal places. Now over here, let's solve the problem directly. So given that the dried cauliflower weight, so weight of dried cauliflower, it is 10 kg with moisture percent, that is 5% moisture. That means 95% will be, if 5% moisture is there, that means 95% dry matter is there, right? Now, rehydrated weight, that is 60 kg, and fresh cauliflower moisture content, that is 87% moisture. So first step, we'll calculate the dry matter in the dried cauliflower. So the dried cauliflower, it contains 5% moisture, 95% dry matter. So 5% moisture, 95% dry matter. Dried matter of dried cauliflower, it is 10 kg into 95 by 100, that is 9.5 kg dry matter of dried cauliflower. Now we have to calculate the dry matter of fresh cauliflower. This is for dried cauliflower. Now for fresh cauliflower, 87% moisture is there. So if 87% moisture is there, so dried matter will be 13%. 13% dry matter. 100 minus 87. So it is dry matter. So dry matter of fresh cauliflower, it will be calculated as, what is the weight? That is 60 kg into 13 by 100 divided by 100. That is approximately 7.8 kg of fresh cauliflower. Okay. Now we have to calculate the coefficient of rehydration. Coefficient of rehydration we are writing as CR over here. So coefficient of rehydration, how it will be calculated? Dry matter of fresh cauliflower, that is fresh cauliflower divided by dry matter of dried cauliflower. So it will be 7.8 divided by 9.5. That is approximately 0.82. So the coefficient of rehydration, it will be around 0.82. So question number 141, match the column, that is industrial product, in column 1 with fermentive organism in column 2. So column 1, that is vinegar, citric acid, ethanol or L-lysine. So vinegar, so it is produced by the oxidation of ethanol by the bacterium, that is Acetobacter aceti. So vinegar, it is Acetobacter aceti. So this option is incorrect, this is incorrect. Now between these two. So for match the following, you can go with the elimination process. Next question, next option, that is citric acid. So citric acid, it is produced by the fungus, that is Aspergillus niger. So this will be my correct option. This is also incorrect. So Aspergillus niger, it is through a process which is known as submerged fermentation. And ethanol, so ethanol, it is produced by the yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Option number 2. L-lysine, it is produced by the bacterium, that is Enterobacter erigonus. That is option number 1. So actually this is through a process, that is Corynebacterium glutamicus fermentation and all. So over here my correct option will be option number A. So Question number 142. Match the enzymes in column 1 with its application in food processing reactions given in column 2. So chymosins, thermolysins, beta-galactosidase and lipase. Okay, so chymosin actually it is an enzyme which is used in cheese making to coagulate the milk, protein, formation of curds, whey. So this will be option number B. Next, beta-galactosidase, we know the easiest one, that it is an enzyme which is used to hydrolyze the lactose, a sugar which is found in milk, dairy products, making them more digestible for lactose intolerant individuals. So this will be R2. Lipase, we know it is an enzyme which is used to synthesize aspartame. It is actually an artificial sweetener, aspartame. So over here my correct option will be A. So these all options are not correct over here. Okay. So with this we have completed the part 1 of GATE XC 2023. Part 2 will be uploaded soon. So till then, thank you and enjoy learning.